Zu mir und setze dich nieder, wir küssen Hand in Hand.
That's how we call a fish.
Welcome to Sportsman's Paradise. I'm Jay Ducote, and each week I get to bring a friend to catch and cook with one of Louisiana's best charter captains. Welcome to Toledo Bend, our only freshwater stop of the season.
Underlay fishes, let us catch the crappie.
I mean, I think you're keeping up with him.
You got it.
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Let's go.
We just caught a fish in another boat. It's great.
Now, that was right after I opened the Giacomo, so we're back on track, I think. Good job, Captain. Oh, yeah? Gonna be like that, huh?
Man, I'm trying my best not to make it that way. But
There you go.
that is the white crappie I was talking about.
Yeah.
You can tell he's white for a few reasons. He's got a bigger mouth, longer tail section here, and see his stripes. They're pretty bland right now because, like I said, no sunlight. He's in this muddy water, but you can see his tiger stripes.
Yeah.
If he was in some clear water, they'd be really obvious.
Hey!
Yeah, it's the monster.
Little fella.
Oh gosh, he
You got
swallowed
it
it.
choked, yeah.
All right, fish on.
Little guy.
This is good for eating.
Watch the full episode on the Waypoint TV app or at waypointtv.com.